Hey everyone, this is Merve, product human with a growth background. Now I'm living the dream, building a product for product people.
Hey, this is Samet, design elite product person. Now we are redesigning future of product roadmapping.
We worked on the same product team at a B2B SaaS startup. And actually there is a funny story about our hiring process. We were hired in the same month, and during the hiring interview with the CEO, we gave the same notice to him without knowing anything about each other. I said, I'll start my own business after a year, so hire me if you're okay with this. I had no idea there was another guy saying the same things during his interview. While working together with Samet, we discovered that we shared the same customer obsession. Delivering our users the best experience was our top priority. Yet, there was no customer-centric structure in place. We tried to solve it many times. Then, we realized that product management tools were quite isolated from customers, which made it challenging to build the right thing. We started discovery calls with more than 150 product managers every night and saw that we were not alone in this. We started building Productive to bring customer perspective into product management, from a tiny idea to publishing a new product update. The same day after 1 year, just like we told the CEO during the interview, we quit our jobs to start a new chapter and build Productive.
We were on a mission to close the gap between product teams and customers. So we shaped our product vision and strategy based on that. We build our community from day one and share what we are going through and what we learn with the product community. We were able to build trust with our users and potential investors early on by sharing monthly updates. That's something I highly recommend for early-stage startup founders. We pursued a product-led growth model, which I now consider a luxury. The PLG and building Productive in public helped us a lot. But startups should always follow their go-to-market strategy without being catch-up in the hype. Doing things that don't scale should always be on your mind. Our journey with Productive was full of ups and downs. But the one thing that never failed us was talking with our users. We noticed that whenever we had a user survey or a call with one of our users, we observed pain points related to roadmapping. It was in a high demand. We started to dig deeper and talk with almost 100 product flows to find the missing puzzle piece.
Pivot stories are usually untold. That's why we wanted to tell the story behind this decision. From growth strategies to go-to-market, pricing and more, we learned a lot along the way. Our pivot has three main reasons. The first one is the user demand. Building a roadmap module for Productive, it has always been on the table. Based on the interviews with hundreds of product managers, we found a great deal of pain in this. It's a pretty complicated problem to solve though. Yet, seeing lots of product folks having this problem triggered us to find a way. The second reason is the challenges of building an all-in-one tool as an early-stage startup. Most of the time, switching to a horizontal software creates a huge commitment psychology on potential users. And when you add bottom-up PLG approach on top of that, it led to longer sales cycles in our case. The concept we created with Productive is something we still believe in. The key to creating more value for our users will be to leverage our experience from Productive into vertical software. And the last one has been the most striking for us. When we talk with product folks, we observe the problems resulting road mapping process becoming something quite painful. Current road mapping solutions, they're too limiting and they push users to fit into their way of thinking. So product people can't create their custom structure. Spreadsheets, on the other hand, are highly flexible, yet they lack automation and integration. When we look at the collaboration tools, they help with the ideation and collaboration, but when it comes to road mapping, things get messy very quick. So when product people choose where to create their roadmap and create their strategy, they have to choose one of the abilities from collaboration, customization, or automation. Now we're building a product road mapping software designed for real-time collaboration, flexibility, and performance.
We started building Roadmape. Our team is working hard to solve the problems we hear repeatedly. We have three focus points. The most common problem we faced was the hardness of keeping roadmapping doc up to date. This is not a problem that can be solved with a one-and-done solution, and current solutions were not built by thinking this user problem. So we are building Roadmape in a way that our users will not suffer anymore. The second is a real-time collaboration. The impact of a roadmap increases by collaborating. We saw lots of product managers feeling the ghost in a roadmap though. We need to solve it to make roadmapping a team sport. Another one is customization. We are designing Roadmape in highly flexible structure. Yet it's also opinionated around product strategy and communication. So product teams don't need to fit into our approach. They can use Roadmape's custom hierarchy without changing anything. And most exciting part is the last. We are working on a new framework to help product managers to zoom in and out between their product vision and roadmap. Well, we are going on a new road trip, and it's quite exciting for us and the team. It will be a journey that we won't be alone. We will shape the future of Roadmape with our users. We have already people signed up to our waitlist. We are working on a different private process where we build a cross community for our beta users. We will select few companies to discuss the challenges and find the solutions together. You can reach out to us if you are also excited and want to be part of it.
Well, friends are the ones making Growth Trip memorable. If you also think there is something wrong with the current road mapping solutions, go to roadmape.com and sign up for the waitlist.
Thanks for watching.